All right, guys. So today we're gonna talk about the platform I use to trade and how to utilize this platform, how to enter your trade, how to sell your trade, or how to close positions, or how to add position to a trade that you're in. So the platform I will be using, the link is in my bio, so just use that link. It's called Bybit. Now with Bybit, you will need a VPN to be able to access it while you're in the US. So use the link in my bio to use this VPN and to get the platform that I use to trade. So I used Bybit to trade, and I used the NordVPN to access Bybit. Now, what I would do is then go to the App Store and download Bybit, BYBIT, or just click the link. Click the link, it will be there. Now, once you get there, you just sign up. It takes about 10 seconds to sign up. Literally, under a minute. You put your email, your password, and then confirm your email. That's about it. Now, you open the app. First thing you're going to see is home, where it shows you deposit, Bybit, earn, XYZ, all the etc. stuff. The first thing you will do is you have to send money to this platform. You still have to send crypto to this platform to be able to use it. So if you're trading USDT, you would send USDT to the platform. If you're trading Ethereum, you would send Ethereum. And what the benefits of you sending Ethereum or Bitcoin or Cardano or Litecoin or Luna or Mana, you could send quite a few cryptocurrency that you could trade and get your profit into that cryptocurrency instead of the US dollar, right? So now that's called an inverse perpetual. If you want to trade and receive your money into a crypto asset, that's an inverse perpetual. That would be like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Cardano, or whatever the case may be. But now, if you're, let's say you want to receive your money in US dollars, so your profit is stable. You would send USDT if you want to trade to get US dollars, but if you want to trade Ethereum to get Ethereum, you would send Ethereum. Or if you want to trade Bitcoin to get Bitcoin, you would trade Bitcoin. Now, I already showed y'all how to send and receive crypto. It's the same thing you would do right here. Make sure you just come to assets. You will go to, no, matter of fact, you will go to spot, and then you would click, if it's USDT, you click USDT. I would press deposit and choose either TRC20 or SOL to receive your USDT on this platform. Now, each of those, the fees are $1 each. But if you use ERC20, the fee is $25. So you gotta find cheaper ways to send your money and receive your money fast to this platform. Now, if you're using Ethereum, you would just go to same thing, go to assets, go to spot, go to Ethereum, go to deposit, and you would choose the ERC20, and that would be a fee of about maybe $20 to send Ethereum. And then you would just press copy address, and wherever you're trying to send the money from, you paste the address there. Remember, you could only send Ethereum to an Ethereum address. You could only send USDT to a USDT address. You could only send Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address. So don't ever mix them up, because if you do, you lose your money. Guarantee. There's no getting it back. So make sure you're sending that right asset to the address. Now, how would you, now that your money is on the spot account, what you would do, let's say you have the money on USDT and it's in the spot account. You would then click on USDT, and you would transfer that money to your derivative account. The derivative account, that's where you're going to be trading. The spot account is like, the money is just sitting there. You're not doing nothing with it. Basically, you would invest over there. But we don't use this platform to invest. We just use this platform to trade. So if you have $100 in USDT, you would just type in the amount you want. Let's say $100, or you want to transfer over all of it. So you just press all, and then you would press confirm. Make sure the coin it says USDT, and then you would press confirm, and it will be over there in less than a minute. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to buy and sell on this platform. Now let's say you're trading near protocol on Bybit. You would then go to, if you're trying to open a market order, you would search it right there and change it to market order. And once you change it to market order, you would then select the amount of position you want to select. So you do that by right here, or you could always type it in right there. So let's say I want to enter 10. All right, I would then also, what I would have to do, also go up here, click where it says the leverage amount, where it says 10x, click it and make sure it says isolated. If you're only risking $10, that's all you're like you want to risk. It won't go into your profit, or it won't go into your balance to trade if your trade is going against what you said. So make sure it's always, whatever you're trading, make sure it says isolated, not cross margin. Cross margin will take up the rest of your capital if your trade start to go left. Oh, how would you buy this trade? First, you would just, before you do this, you put your take profit and stop loss in. So you would click right here where it says TPSL, click right there, and you would put in, if it's a long trade, long is a buy and short is a sell. So if it's a long trade, you put your stop loss in right there and you put your take profit in. Same thing for the short. Now, how would you buy this trade? You would then click on open long and you would press confirm. That's it. Now let's say you want to sell that trade. You will go to switch it from where it says open to close, and you press, if it's a long trade you're in, you would put the amount you want to close and you would press close long. Now you could also do it from right here. Go to all orders and you could press close by, and you could close the amount you want. If you want to close 10%, 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%, or you could type in the amount you want to close. Or what you could do, that's that with market order. Now you could set up a limit order where if price gets to this point, that's where you want to close it. So you could put the amount of, let's say you're at 40, if you're in the buy and price is at 40,000 on Bitcoin, but you want to close it at 42,000. So you would then put in your limit order to 42,000 and close. And 42,000, and then press confirm. You would press confirm right there. Bang. Okay? So that's it. It's not hard, people. It's not hard. Now, how would you withdraw your money from crypto.com? Now, how would you withdraw your money from Bybit? What you would do, you would then go to assets, then you would go to withdraw. If it's in your derivatives, you're going to go to derivatives and transfer over your money from derivative to spot. So whatever coin you have and you want to transfer it to the spot account. Then from there, what you will do is, let's say you have this and you want to transfer it to your exchange. Like let's say you want to transfer it to Coinbase, or you want to transfer it to crypto.com or something. You will go to withdraw, and you would copy the address. If you want to withdraw Ethereum from the wallet, first you will go to where you're trying to send it to. So if you're trying to send it to crypto.com or Coinbase, you go there, click there and press deposit and copy that address, and then come to Bybit now and paste that address right here. Remember, you could only send ERC20 Ethereum to ERC20 Ethereum, or Arbitrum1 to Arbitrum1 Ethereum, right? Only send Ethereum to an Ethereum address. Only send Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address. So you just press copy, do what it's saying. Put the amount right there, then the address right there, and then you would just press withdraw. That's about it. It's not hard, guys. So it's really simple. This is the best platform I use, and I'm gonna show y'all, if you want to add more position to your trade, you would then, let me show y'all on Bitcoin. So let's say you have your trade running right there. See, right now I'm in a negative, or whatever the case may be. I would just go right there and I would adjust that and just open long. I can't open a separate position, but I could add to my position using Bybit. But there's other platforms out there that you could open separate trades. But Bybit, you could only add to your to that trade. And when you're adding to that trade, it's either you're averaging up or averaging down. If you want to look at the charts on Bybit, that's how you look at it. You pull up the let me show you. To the left, to the right, where you see it says Bitcoin chart and the arrow pointing up, you just click it, and that's it.